Momentum reversal was the trade of the day, capturing the move into the close. You can see the rally at the end of the day. It just looked like a sideways market early on that would roll over. Then it rallied, took out the highs, and then when it pulled back, it looked like it would roll over again here. The trend wasn't really evident until it broke out to here. When it pulled back, you didn't know here if it was going to roll over or rally. But it continued. At the end of the day, everything is always more clear, and the obvious is always more clear at the end of the day. But there was some initial adversity against this trade, and then it went our way. This strategy doesn't have the greatest equity curve, but it's very non-correlated with a lot of our strategies, and so it really helps the portfolio on days when the other strategies don't do as well. This strategy has the tendency to do well, and so 250K portfolio is up 957.50 on the day, trading 1 E-mini, the stock index portfolio 18. The 50K portfolio is up 191.50. Hypothetical, the live results had a little extra slippage. Live results were a little less. And the drawdown, we're at equity peaks in live trading, but we started in a drawdown. And so the hypothetical end of day drawdown is about $7,000, hypothetically speaking, although we're at equity peaks because, like I said, we started in a drawdown. Let's look at the other trades on the day. Just this stealth bull market that continues. Pretty much meaningless price action for most of the month, though. We'll go over that in a minute. EVP1, the first trade was down, and it just quick move to hit our stop. Felt like a stop run, but it rolled over once again and then rallied, and then we got the move at the end of the day to make up some of the losses on the day. But down on the day, one winner, one loser, and then Tick Pulse got short here. Market continued to rally, a slow grinding rally, and then down on the day, Cobra 3 down on the day on the short side, Viper down on the day on the short side, and so today was a day to go long. Our long strategy, tick reversal, was up on the day, so tick reversal, the second EVP1 trade, and then momentum reversal, which is right here. So the long trades mostly won. Only one long trade on EVP1 at the beginning of the day did not win. And all the short trades lost today. So it was a day to go long. That's the NASDAQ. Let's look at the S&P. Cobra 3 tried to go short here, and then the market rallied, and then momentum reversal reversed, took the reversal trade, taking the long trade into the close up on the day. 1 for 2 in the S&P. The NASDAQ strategies, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies that were down on the day, 2 that were up on the day. So 2 for 4 in the NASDAQ, but we're still up on the day, net gain. Small move really in the NASDAQ futures. You can see that plus 118.94%. Back to the grinding, stealth bull market type price action. Overall, the price action this month is pretty meaningless. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So here is the NASDAQ. You can see from the beginning of the year, we're going to go back to the beginning of the year. So for the NASDAQ, you see the beginning of the year right here. The bulls came in and said 2022 is down. Market doesn't go down 2 years in a row most of the time. So grinding rise. The beginning of February, we had FOMC and then an additional push higher on the first day of the month and the second day of the month to really exacerbate the January effect into February. But since then, since February the 2nd, that was the high. Here is the close of the day on February the 1st, right here. And here is the beginning of the day on February. So see 2 days right here in February, and the rest of the month has been within that range. Just meaningless price action, not really going anywhere. Trying to work back towards those highs. And, if we do, I think we could get an acceleration in that price action and some potential big moves there. And it looked like to me several times the market tried to roll over. The market tried to roll over here, tried to roll over here in January, tried to roll over here, but it was scooped up and pushed higher. And so we'll see how long this stealth bull market lasts in the midst of what seems to be higher rates and yield curve inversions and all the fundamentals that are discussed frequently. So interesting price action so far this month, not moving much in February after the first couple of days. And so that is the NASDAQ futures, and these are the trades on the day for our midweek, Wednesday, February the 15th, 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.